Did you know that a single teaspoon of healthy soil contains more microorganisms than there are people on Earth? This incredible biodiversity is the engine that drives healthy plant growth, especially for nutrient-hungry vegetables. Ignoring this living system is like trying to run a car without fuel. Focusing solely on fertilizers misses the point. True gardening success starts from the ground up, by nurturing the soil itself. Organic amendments feed the soil life, which in turn feeds your plants naturally and sustainably. Growing vibrant, productive vegetables isn't just about sunlight and water. It fundamentally depends on the quality of your soil. Healthy soil provides structure for roots, retains moisture, and makes nutrients available to plants. Poor soil, on the other hand, leads to stunted growth, increased disease, and disappointing harvests. Compacted clay soil drains poorly, while sandy soil loses water and nutrients too quickly. Both scenarios stress vegetable plants. Many gardeners struggle with these basic soil issues. They might add synthetic fertilizers, which can provide a temporary boost, but do little to improve the soil's long-term health or structure. This creates a cycle of dependency rather than building a resilient garden ecosystem. Organic soil amendments are materials derived from living things that you add to your soil to improve its physical, chemical, and biological properties. They are the cornerstone of organic gardening. Unlike synthetic fertilizers, they work slowly, feeding the soil food web. Compost is often called black gold for a reason. It's decomposed organic matter that improves soil structure, increases water retention, and provides a wide range of nutrients. Using compost reduces the need for synthetic fertilizers and pesticides. You can make compost from kitchen scraps, yard waste, and other organic materials. Adding a few inches of finished compost to your garden beds each year dramatically boosts soil health. It's versatile and beneficial for almost all vegetables. Manure, from animals like chickens, cows, or horses, is another valuable amendment. It's rich in nutrients and organic matter. However, it must be properly composted or aged before use to avoid burning plants or introducing pathogens. Aged manure improves soil fertility and structure. It's particularly good for heavy feeders like corn or squash. Always source manure responsibly and ensure it hasn't been treated with persistent herbicides. Green manure involves growing specific plants like legumes or cover crops and then tilling them into the soil. This adds organic matter, improves structure, and can fix nitrogen from the air. It's a great way to improve soil during off-seasons. Cover crops like clover or vetch suppress weeds and prevent erosion. When turned under, they decompose, releasing nutrients and improving soil tilth. This method builds soil health over time without external inputs. Other amendments include worm castings, a highly potent form of compost produced by earthworms. Peat moss improves water retention in sandy soils, but is less sustainable. Leaf mold, decomposed leaves, is excellent for improving soil structure. Biochar, a charcoal-like substance, can improve drainage and nutrient retention over the long term. It provides habitat for beneficial microbes. Using a variety of amendments addresses different soil needs. While many amendments are beneficial, if you could only choose one, compost would be the most effective organic soil amendment for dramatically enhancing vegetable growth. Its comprehensive benefits are unmatched. Compost improves soil structure, making it easier for roots to grow and access water and nutrients. It increases the soil's ability to hold moisture, reducing the need for frequent watering. Compost also improves drainage in heavy clay soils. It provides a slow-release source of essential nutrients, feeding plants steadily throughout the season. Crucially, compost inoculates the soil with beneficial microorganisms. These microbes break down organic matter, suppress diseases, and make nutrients available to plants. A soil rich in microbial life is a resilient soil. Consider a simple success story: a gardener struggling with compacted, lifeless soil. After incorporating several inches of homemade compost, their tomato plants grew taller, produced more fruit, and showed fewer signs of disease than ever before. The difference was profound. Compost transforms poor soil into a thriving ecosystem. It's the single best investment you can make in your vegetable garden's health and productivity. Start a compost pile today if you haven't already. In summary, healthy soil is the foundation of a successful vegetable garden. Organic amendments like compost, aged manure, and green manures are vital for building soil health. They improve structure, water retention, nutrient availability, and support beneficial microbial life. Compost stands out as the most effective all-around amendment, providing a wealth of benefits that directly lead to more vigorous plants and abundant harvests. By focusing on feeding your soil organically, you create a sustainable and productive garden. What are your favorite organic soil amendments? Share your experiences and tips in the comments below. And if you want to learn more about specific techniques for using compost effectively, check out our other video on building the perfect compost pile. Happy gardening!